So let's start 2026 with a bang, no? Hiking for 4 days. Look us back. Ari! Hello! Hi guys! Happy birthday to you!
Hi! Yo!
Malapit na kami. Malapit na rin ako mag-give up. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, babalik na naman tayo sa Hong Kong. So sa buwan na to, 3 times ako nag-Hong Kong. First yung GCash, pangalawa yung nag-shopping ako, tapos pangatlo ito. Bakit ba ako babalik sa Hong Kong? Kasi actually, nasa Hong Kong pala ako 2 weeks ago. Nag-message si Ari. Kung naalala nyo si Ari, yung Chinese na nakilala natin sa Japan.
Near the temple, everywhere.
Near
You can see lots of
this one?
these things. Yes.
But what does it, what is it for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know that.
Back in Kyoto with Ari. Hi Ari and 6ix9ine.
to see you again, guys.
I was asking them like, what is the English of makulimlim or like,
Oh wow.
I think it's overcast, like, yeah. Kasama ko si Pablo, si 6ix9ine, tsaka si Ari, di ba? So, nag-travel na kami sa Japan. Supposed to be kasi magkita kami sa China, di ba? Sabi ko kasi ngayong winter, pupunta ako sa China. However, wala kasi akong visa, tapos wala akong time na mag-ayos ng visa. Buti na isipan ni Ari na mag-Hong Kong na lang. So, sabi niya na mag-Hong Kong sila kasama yung isa niyang friend. Sabi niya kung gusto ko daw sumama. Iniisip ko kung sasama ko ba ako kasi nag-Hong Kong na ako. Pero, syempre, minsan lang mag-aya si Ari. Tapos, isa pa, iba yung gagawin, hindi siya yung city. Sabi niya, mag-hiking daw ng 4 days sa Hong Kong. So, I also wanna challenge myself physically. Wow. Actually, hindi ako magaling mag-hiking, pero nag-walking ako, 20k steps every day. Pero hiking kasi is different, mas mahirap kasi yung hiking. Sabi ko kay Ari na, hindi pa ako nakapag-try ng 4 days na hiking ng ganong katagal. Nakapag-try na ako overnight hiking guys sa Mount Ulap. Tapos before din naman, nag-hiking ako nung medyo bata-bata pa ako. Pero ngayon hindi ko pa na-try, pero sabi niya naman kaya ko daw. Hindi ko alam kung masyado lang siyang believe sa kakayahan ko. Kasi di ba nung nasa Japan kami, mahilig kami maglakad. So lakad kami ng lakad. Si Pablo tsaka si 6ix9ine, sila yung hindi masyadong mahilig maglakad. Kaya minsan di ba humihiwalay kami ni Ari. Kasi mahilig kami maglakad. Sabi niya kaya ko daw. So sabi ko okay. Kala ko tinawag ako. Sabi ko sige, I also wanna challenge myself physically. Kasi itong 2026, gusto ko rin maging mas physically active. Kasi tumataba talaga ako. 2025, maraming blessings na dumating. Pero tumaba rin ako. So sabi ko sige, bawiin natin sa 2026. So let's start 2026 with a bang, no? Physical activity, hiking for 4 days. So let's go Hong Kong. Hindi ko na masyadong i-explain yung process ng pagpunta guys kasi kaka-Hong Kong ko lang, 'di ba? In-explain ko naman doon in details kung ano yung mga requirements, yung mga guide and all that. So ito, hindi siya masyadong guide kasi nagawa ko na. So, tara, Hong Kong tayo ulit. And we are back here in Hong Kong. Hindi ko na kayo masyadong dinetail na i-tour, no? Kasi kakagaling lang natin dito. So parang I think parang masyado ko namang detailed na naipakita yung process. Like last week lang yata yun, no? So hindi ko na ulit inulit. But yan, dyan lang ulit ako nag-arrive sa arrival A. Tapos magpapaload lang ako ng aking octopus card kasi may negative balance pa ako. Di ba from last time ginamit ko ito, nag-negative siya. So kailangan kong paloadan. Then, ito pa rin yung Christmas tree. Ang sinakyan ko pala is Cathay guys, Cathay Pacific. Actually, pag pupunta ako sa Hong Kong, pinaka-favorite ko na airline, Cathay Pacific. Kasi komportable yung upuan, tapos may pagkain, 23 kilos yung kanilang luggage allowance. Basta favorite ko ang Cathay pag pupunta sa Hong Kong. Last time, ano bang sinakyan natin? Sebpak, no? Sebpak. Ay, yung GCash, nag-Philippine Airlines kami. Tapos yung personal ko na shopping, nag-Cebu Pacific ako. Kasi ngayon, pagbalik ko ulit, Cathay Pacific. Iba-ibang airline yung sinakyan natin. In 1 month, 3 times ako nag-Hong Kong. 3 times ako nag-Hong Kong in 1 month. Pinaka-favorite ko Cathay. Kung makakakuha kayo ng sale guys, maganda ang Cathay. Favorite ko siya kasi meron pang entertainment, yung may TV, ganyan. May music. So ayan, paload lang ako. Ito ulit yung 7-Eleven, ayan. Sige, recap ko na nga lang, baka nakalimutan nyo. Arrival hall letter A, dito ako nanggaling. Sa gitna, merong 7-Eleven. Tapat ng 7-Eleven, ayan, tatapat ako ha. Ayan yung mga bus papuntang city. Yung 2 city, ganyan. Yan, doon ako sasakay mamaya. Magpapaload lang ako dito sa may machine doon. Papaload lang ako ng aking octopus card, no? Actually, sa last Hong Kong natin, di ba, nag-cashless lang tayo. As in, wala akong winidraw na cash kasi GCash lang yung ginamit ko, tapos kasi gumana na siya sa lahat. Ang crucial lang is yung bus from airport papuntang city, kasi kailangan nyo ng Octopus card. Minsan kasi hindi yata pag gumagana yung Visa tsaka Mastercard, hindi pa lahat ng bus gumagana doon. So kailangan nyo magpa-load ng Octopus card. So yun yung gagawin ko. Tapos buti na lang kasi di ba pag nagta-travel ako sa mga nakaraan, laging may mga natitirang pera sa akin. Pagka uwi ko sa bahay, nag-check ako, meron pala ako natitirang 100 na Hong Kong dollar. So ito yung ipapang-load ko muna dito sa aking Octopus card. Pero I think magwi-withdraw din ako ng cash kasi mag-hiking nga kami dito, di ba? So sa bundok baka wala namang mga card doon. Baka cash yung kailangan ko. Baka mag-withdraw din ako. Sa last na Hong Kong natin, sa Tung Chung ako nagstay, di ba? Malapit sa airport, sa Disneyland, Ngongping, Citygate Outlets. Tapos yung sa GCash naman, doon kami nagstay sa Tsim Sha Tsui. Ngayon naman magstay ako sa Tsing Yi. So, tinatry ko magstay sa different areas, guys, para ma-familiarize tayo sa different na lugar dito sa Hong Kong. So, sa Tsing Yi naman ako, dito ako magstay sa Rambler Oasis Hotel. Sobrang sikat ito na Rambler Oasis Hotel sa Cloak, no? Nung tinitignan ko, ang dami nagbubook dito sa Rambler Oasis kasi budget hotel talaga siya. So, of course, if magbubook kayo ng mga hotel sa Cloak, you can always use my code, Marvin Samako Cloak, to get 5% discount. So na-curious ako, bakit ba ang dami nagbubuk dito sa Rambler Oasis? Yun lang, medyo hindi siya sa sikat na district, no? Nasa Tsing Yi siya. Pero i-try natin bakit maraming Pilipino ang nag-i-stay doon. Siguro nga dahil sobrang budget niya. At baka maganda yung hotel. So, I'm using this app called City Mapper. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung app na City Mapper. Tapos, gusto ko siya kasi nandito na yung, di ba, from my location, chinek ko yan, Rambler Oasis Hotel. Tapos sabi niya, sakay daw ako ng bus E32. Ito yung babayaran ko, 11. Kaso medyo malayo, 72 minutes. So yan, magbabus tayo. Diyan lang ulit sa may bus stop. Di ba, alam nyo na yan. Perfect na kayo dito sa Hong Kong Airport. Memorize nyo na to kasi lagi ko pinapakita sa inyo. So kapag pupunta kayo sa Tsim Sha Tsui, Mongkok, A821, bus 821. So pupunta kayo sa Tung Chung, S1 or S64 ba yun? Yeah, S64. Ito naman si Tsing Yi, E32. Lahat na ng mga bus stops dito nasasakyan na natin sa Hong Kong. Sa pabalik-balik natin dito. But ako na-i-enjoy ko kasi nga sa iba't ibang lugar ako nag-i-stay. Nag-i-stay? May letter I? Nag-stay. Tama ba? Nag-i-stay o nag-stay? Nag-stay. So, parang feeling ko parang bago lang din ako dito kasi parang bago yung mga pupuntahan. First time ko din. Ayan, first time natin sa Tsing Yi. So sana hindi tayo maligaw. 70 minutes ang biyahe. Ang papuntang Tsim Sha Tsui para mga ganon din 60 minutes, 1 hour din. Ito na yung bus, guys. Last time, gabi ko pinakita yung dito, di ba kasi gabi ako dumating. Pero ngayon, hapon tayo. And na ulit, si bus terminus. Tapos, sa last natin Hong Kong, nalaman natin, di ba na color-coded siya, yun o. Bus 821, color orange. Ang Tung Chung dito sa green zone, S1 tsaka S64. Ang sasakyan natin letter E, E32. Saan yun? Ayun. Ay, wow. Dito naman tayo sa orange zone naman tayo, no? E32. So, na-explore na natin lahat. Ito, yellow, green, orange naman tayo. Andyan yung mga sulat ulit. Tingnan nyo na lang. Bus 821, karamihan ng mga Pilipino dyan yan, 821. Pero dito tayo sa E32. Sa kabilang side naman daw tayo. Ayan no, yung mga poste may kulay yan ha, para easier nyo maka-identify. Orange, yellow ito. Ayun naman green. So doon yung mga bus stop, 'di ba, kung anong kulay. So, tayo E31, orange. And guys, medyo dulo yung E32 no. Eh nakikita ko na to E37, E36, hala siya yung 32 guys, E32, 36 saka 41, medyo dulo lang siya no, parang pagkatapusan na nga siya. So ito yung nilakad ko, may waiting shed naman dito, pero ayun yung lakad ko from there, medyo dulo ang E32 guys. Ang maganda kay City Mapper, may nakasulat dyan kung ilang minutes pa, ayun layo pa, 18 minutes pa yung bus oh, 18 minutes, tapos ayan, may nakasulat dyan 16 stops. So pwede mo siyang i-ganyan para makita mo lahat. So yun yung mga stops na dadaanan mo no. 58 minutes pala tayo magbabas. Dito tayo bababa sa Qingdao House. Ayan, 6-minute walk to destination. Yan guys, may dumating na E32. Wala pa namang 18 minutes. Yan guys, wala masyadong tao yung bus. Dito ko nilagay yung luggage ko na. Yan, may lagayan naman dyan. Pero akyat tayo. Akyat tayo sa second floor kasi matagal yung biyahe natin. 58 minutes. So mas maganda yung view dito sa taas. Ayan, sa harap tayo. Para ramdam na ramdam natin ang Hong Kong. Hi Hong Kong. Ayan, umaga naman tayo, di ba? Last time gabi eh. Hirap maging traveler. Yung pinakamahirap na part sa magta-travel yung pagbiyahe, no? Yung bag ko pa naman 23.6 kilos. Kasi di ba sa Kati 23 kilos. Sabi ko nga parang ang bigat ng bag ko 23 kilos kasi 1 month tayo na magta-travel guys. So after this Hong Kong, dire-diretso na yung trip ko, 1 month siya. So yung suot ko ngayon pang 1 month na talaga siya. Feeling ko nga magkukulang pa kasi winter, di ba? So, bili lang tayo ng bagong luggage pag kulang na yung damit natin. Anyway, let's enjoy the view for almost 1 hour. Sila Ari kaya, hindi ko alam kung nandito na sila Ari kasi supposed to be bukas pa kayo magkikita-kita nila Ari kasi pupunta pa sila sa Shenzhen, China. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanila 29 ako dadating para naman may pahinga ako, di ba? Kasi alam ka naman pagdating ko dito hiking agad. Sabi ko 29 ako dadating para makapahinga ako ng 1 night. Tapos parang sabi ni Ari, sige baka daw pumunta rin sila ng 29. Hindi pa sure, pero baka mag-advance din sila ng 1 day. Hindi ko pa sila nakakausap, but mamaya pag nakasettle ako sa hotel, tignan natin. Actually minsan nga kinakabahan ako sa immigration sa Philippines, pati dito sa Hong Kong kasi imagine sa 1 month 3 times ako pumunta dito. So baka question na ako at kinakabahan ako. Pero sa Philippine immigration wala namang tanong actually. Swerte lang ako kasi yung naka-interview sa akin na-interview na ako before. Sabi niya, di ba ikaw yung vlogger? Ganun, na-interview na kita before. Ganun. Sabi ko, opo. Yung Muslim, yung parang may ganun siya na babae. Si ate girl, naalala ko nga siya na-interview na ako. Tapos dito naman sa Hong Kong, wala rin. Walang tanong. Minsan nga, nagre-ready na ako ng return ticket. Baka tanongin na ako nila ng return ticket. Well, hindi naman. Siguro kasi hindi naman ako nag-overstay dito. Although, madalas ako dito. Pero, I still follow the rules. Never ako nag-overstay, never naman ako nag-violate ng any rules dito. So, pinahayaan lang nila ako na makapasok sa country nila. No? So, again, for Filipino travelers, up to 14 days, 14 days lang tayo pwede mag-stay dito nang walang visa. Kung mag-extend kayo ng more days, kailangan nyo na mag-apply ng visa. Okay? Ang gusto ko pa sa City Mapper, kasi itong blue, ayan o, yung blue na to, nagmo-move siya, di ba? Nandun tayo sa airport, tapos nagmo-move siya kung saan na kayong location. So madali mo matitignan kung nandito na yung blue, ibig sabihin malapit na tayong bumaba, no? Kaya mas gusto ko siyang, or mas sanay lang akong gamitin ang City Mapper dito sa Hong Kong. Tama na nga, masyado kong pinapromote ng City Mapper, baka maging ambassador. Baka maging ambassador ako ng City Mapper. Tama na. Pero sinasabi ko lang na pag nasa Hong Kong ako mas, di ba ginagamit ko rin naman siya sa ibang bansa, itong City Mapper. Pero sa Hong Kong, ito yung madalas kong gamitin. Guys, Novotel Citygate. Yan yung hotel natin last trip, no? Kasi ito na yung Citygate Outlets. Ito. Nandun yung Mongping. Sa yata kita mo. Nandun yung Mongping cable car. Yan. Mga cable cars. Lapit lang kasi talaga nitong Novotel Citygate sa airport. Pero ngayon, nasa Qingyi tayo. Medyo malayo. Then guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa ating hotel, Rambler Oasis. Quick room tour lang tayo kasi nandyan na pala sila Ari. Nasa Mongkok na sila, so kailangan ko pumunta. Mag-quick room tour lang tayo kasi mamaya baka gumulo na. So ito lang yung aking room. Maliit lang siya. Actually good for 2 yung bed. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong pintuan, yung toilet and bath. Ayan. Dito kayo magpupupo. Dito ang shower area. May free naman ng mga towels. Sa Hong Kong guys, unfortunately walang bidet. But yung shower na lang yung gamitin nyo na bidet. Malapit lang naman siya. Kaya naman. Tapos ito yung sink. Ayan. So may mirror dyan. Tapos ito yung ating view. Ayan. Maliit lang talaga siya na room kasi budget room lang to. But ang ganda ng ating view. Ayan o. Ang laki din ng mirror niya. Ayan. High ceiling. We have our TV here. May cabinet tayo dito. May mirror na rin yung cabinet niya. So doon natin ilalagay. May mga slippers. May ref ba? Ayan, may ref din pala. Yan. Super budget hotel lang nito guys. Nakabook ko lang to sa Klook ng mga 3,000 pesos per night. And of course, meron pa kayong 5% discount using my code Marvin sa Mako. Ay, Klook. Hindi ko natapos. Marvin sa Mako Klook. Tapos ito meron dito. Initan ng tubig. Tapos, ang problema ko, kasi one night lang ako dito. Kasi, di ba, dapat mauuna ako kay Ari ng one day dito. So, nagbook ako ng one night dito para, syempre, makapagpahinga. Tapos, ayun nga, nag-change sila ng plan. Imbes na bukas kami magkikita, sabi nila, mag-a-advance na daw sila today. Tapos, sabi nila, magbubook pa daw ba sila ng separate hotel or parang sama-sama na kami dito. Sabi ko, yung nabook ko kasi ng hotel is parang good for one person lang. So, sabi nila, meron naman daw silang mga mattress. Di ba kasi mga hikerist sila, may mga mattress sila. So, baka dito na lang, ewan ko, kawawa naman sila. Yan, dito. Kasya naman dalawa dito, pero ito, kung may mattress sila, pwedeng ilagay yung isa dito. So, yun lang guys, no? Pupunta muna ako sa Mongkok kasi nandun na sila Ari. Kanina pa sila nag-aantay. Mas nauna sila palang dumating kaysa sa akin. So, tara, let's go to Mongkok. So guys, dito sa hotel, sa Rambler Oasis, meron namang mga bus, 88G. Nakatambay lang sila dito. Every 10 minutes daw yan. Every 10 minutes may biyahe. So, yung bus na yun, papunta sa mga train station. Papunta sa papunta sa Central, no? Central Station or pwede rin Kwai Fong Station. Tapos from Central, lilipat tayo ng papuntang Mongkok na, no? Or Prince Edward. Sige, pwede. So, sakay muna tayo ng bus. Ayan, no? May mga nakatambay dito. Yun. 88G. Wait lang kuya, pasakay. So guys, nag-bus ako, diba? Tapos pumunta ako sa Kwai Fong. Hindi pala Central Station. Kwai Fong. Red Line. So, at least yung Red Line maganda kasi makakapunta ka na sa Chimshachoy, Mongkok, Central. Ayan, no? So, ang station niya, Kwai Fong. Tapos ngayon, nandito na ako sa Prince Edward. Malapit to sa Mongkok. Pupunta ko na sila Ari. Yan o, nag-message si Ari, meron daw second street sa Hong Kong. Sabi ko, wow, second street. Sabi ko, I'm on my way. Sabi niya, see you. Look us back. Ari! Okay, so we're doing a hiking here in Hong Kong. Ari is so tall. Ayan guys,
The shoes are.
we'll be doing some hiking. Hiking shoes ni Ari. Ready. You're actually ready to hike now.
Yeah. I just wear it.
Yeah.
I don't bring much clothes.
Yeah.
On my days.
Hey guys, he's another friend. His name is Pong. Of course,
he's
Ari.
my friend in college.
Yeah, they're like classmates in university.
And he's my hiking partner.
Oh yeah, they're hiking. Look at their bag, guys. They're ready for the hiking. So it's gonna be 4 days, right? 4 or 3 days?
I think 4 or 3 days are all okay.
Okay.
There are so many bus stations.
Okay.
Or if you're so tired, you can just.
Yeah, but I think it's gonna be exciting because this is my first
I
time.
think,
Guys, it's Ari and Pong.
Yeah.
Pong's Pong's second time in Hong Kong. It's Ari's
This
first
is my
time.
first time here.
So we're touring Ari here in Mongkok.
Oh, you see that shop, like the sushi one.
This one? Oh, is that
We have it
in Japan?
Kyoto.
Oh yeah. Is that where we eat?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Yung pala yung kinainan namin sa Japan, guys.
If you order something that's like a,
The
I don't know, like
conveyor
a
belt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Si Pong lang, guys, hindi siya masyadong nag-i-English. So si Ari yung magta-translate.
What did you say?
I said Ari's gonna translate whatever Pong will say.
Yeah.
Because Pong doesn't speak much English. So yan
It's
siya.
okay, I think. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Wow. Hello, 好帅啊.
What did he say?
He said he's looking so handsome.
We're at this store called Backpacker. So if you love hiking, you can buy
You can find almost everything, every
Everything.
outdoor things here.
yeah. So bags, mga panluto, even those.
Yeah.
Meron akong hiking bag but hindi siya Osprey. I have like a hiking bag but the brand is not.
Yeah, I think
That
the
good.
Osprey are like the most famous one and the Mystery Ranch and Glegory. Yeah.
Oh, this Osprey.
Yeah, every Osprey.
Oh yeah, it's good. Osprey. Ito yung magandang brand. 2,680. Guys, bili lang ako ng parang bowl tsaka tinidor tsaka kutsara. Meron naman sila Ari mga lutuan na. May dala na nga daw sila mga noodles, ganun, mga rice. Tapos may mga dala na silang pagkain. Pero siguro bibili din ako ng sarili ko na kaya naman kung wala akong ambag, di ba? Pero may mga dala na daw silang pagkain, lutuan, higaan. Ito na lang kasi kulang daw yung dala nilang ganito. So bibili lang ako ng sarili.
Let's go.
Guys,
Hey guys. Hello.
we're going
It's
for
really nice to see you guys again.
Yeah.
I'm back.
I can't believe it. We just met like in
Yeah.
Japan a few months ago, and now we're here. I think it's in
Hong Kong.
Over there. So we're gonna eat sa Cafe de Coral. It's cheap fast food
Yeah.
in Hong Kong. Not really fast food, cheap restaurant. Yeah, cheap restaurant.
Cheap like the most important things.
Yeah, Ari like cheap things.
我不要。不要，我喜欢享受生活，我觉得拍摄是一切的变化。
Guys, nasa Mongkok yata kami to. Chimchachoy, Mongkok. Ari is so shocked with the prices here because you're shocked with the prices because it's so expensive here.
Yeah.
Like in China, it's really way more cheap.
Way
in
more cheaper.
mainland China.
Mainland China are more cheaper.
Yeah, for sure.
Welcome to mainland China.
I think here. Are you still okay, Pong?
Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So only
He's-
two words.
yeah,
Hello.
he's- Hello.
Okay.
He's carrying a very heavy bag. Nasaan yung Cafe de Coral dito? Ang hirap maging navigator na. I think that's the one.
Okay.
Yeah. You order first. Yun guys, nandito sa Cafe de Coral. One of the cheap options dito sa Hong Kong if you're on a budget. It's dinner time. So ito yung sa akin. Okay, Ari.
The simple one.
Kay Pong. So they treated me on our first night. Thank you so much, guys. I'll treat you on our last night. So guys, from Mongkok we will go to Chim Sha Tsui. Kasi si Pong, he wants to go to the Victoria Harbor. Now I'm just telling them Pong wants
Yeah.
to see Victoria
And me
Harbor.
too.
You too.
'Cause I've never
You've
been
never been there. Okay. So we will just take the train 2 stops away, Mongkok to Chim Sha Tsui. You know what? In Japan, Ari was leading the way, and he's really good with directions. That's why I'm so pressured because I always get lost. I cannot lead the direction, but they're trusting me.
Because you're the pro here.
I'm not a pro here, but they're trusting me with the directions. Dang, saan yung Mongkok Station? Okay guys, change of plan kasi nabibigatan na sila sa bit-bit nilang bag. Kasi buong araw na silang naglalakad, so mag-hotel daw muna kami para makapagpahinga sila sa... Kasi tinan niyo yung bit-bit nila. Kawawa yung dalawang to. Bigat na sila. So hotel na lang daw muna tayo. Red line lang din naman. So diretso na tayo. Okay guys,
Hey guys,
one day
this is
before the
our final
hiking.
check.
So we're just checking the things that we will bring
Yeah.
tomorrow.
This is food. Like everything are food. Like rice. This is like I don't know Eastern rice. Like you just need to put the hot water inside and
Oh,
wait
really?
for like 5 or 10 minutes. And
It will be ready
Yeah.
to eat. Okay.
it tastes good. And
Can
black
you
coffee.
show the rice?
Okay. Absolutely. This one. Eastern rice.
Ooh, ito guys, Eastern rice.
Yeah. And I cut some. I cut some like this sausages. It's
Oh,
special
nice.
sausages.
Okay. Oh, so okay.
Smell it like. It smells good.
Wow.
But it's raw sausages. We need to boil it.
Okay. But this will not spoil or
What is that?
I mean, this will still be okay tomorrow or after.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
This is sausages.
So
And
sausage.
This is I don't know how to say it. It's kind of like. It's really salt, but it's.
What is
good.
this? Some appetizer?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Parang mga ano.
And some ham, you know that, right?
They bought a lot. Oh, Pong also has a noodle.
Yeah, the noodles. Yeah, it's kind of noodles. We can eat it.
Like, is that like pasta?
It's not
Not really?
pasta. It's something
Like
like
instant noodle?
some Japanese style flavors, I think.
Okay.
Japanese flavor. Yeah, it's just the Eastern noodles, but it's not like not the hard one.
Okay.
It's soft. You can see that.
Okay.
Like one bags for four meals. Let's whiskey. this is really special.
Pong's
We strongly recommend you guys to try this. Chinese whiskey.
Chinese whiskey, guys, because we will be sleeping the beach, right?
Cheap, romantic,
And good.
good for. I don't know. I can't say that.
Don't say that in the. Good for digest. Good for something good.
Good for something good.
Yeah,
Especially for men.
yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
Everybody try
Okay,
this.
we will try that. This is their
Really
Chinese wine. Cheap but
Cheap.
strong.
Cheap and strong. And tastes good. It
Yeah.
tastes sweet.
Sweet?
Yes.
Okay. I'm excited to try this.
We call
Yeah.
it like we call it Chinese whiskey. Like
Oh, Chinese
it's
whiskey.
really good. You really it's really hard to buy in the
Anywhere
Netherlands.
else, yeah.
Anywhere else, yes.
We also have some ham, guys. They're very ready for this.
Yeah, some ham and I don't know, some advertise.
What's that?
Just some
Oh,
advertise.
some. What is this?
Jinjungu.
Ginger?
It's some kind of plant, but it's a spicy.
Is it like a
taste.
kimchi?
No, it's not kimchi.
Not kimchi.
And we
I
got
love
this. This is for emergency if you just it's all sugar,
Sugar.
inside. Like if you're running or something,
If you're running out of
energy.
Energy.
Energy, yeah.
Oh, they're so ready, guys.
But it's for emergency. I think we can
Learn from the hikers.
And yeah, this kind of noodles,
More
I don't know,
noodles.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong style cheesy noodles.
Yeah, everything are Eastern. Eastern. thing.
Eastern?
Like
Like
just
East Asia?
Really easy to eat.
Ah, easy, okay, easy.
really easy. 睇下嗰個oh yeah, just oh there's black coffee. I bought a lot
We
of
have
black
black coffee. Perfect for wow. This is good for a month.
Yes.
Oh yeah. We have Oreo.
And this one M&M.
M&Ms. We're actually ready, guys. So we're ready to hike for 4 days in the mountains and in the
I
beach.
think like 3 nights and it's really enough.
Really enough,
I think
right?
four nights
So
is
yeah, we
okay.
can actually extend it to 4 nights.
Yeah. 嚟啦，嚟到嚟，試下啦。
And this one, this is actually for Ari. So also Ari bought have these like oats.
Yeah.
So you
Easy
just
to
put hot
eat
water.
and not heavy enough.
Yeah, not heavy enough, but it just gives
And
you
enough
energy.
carbon, right?
Enough
So
what?
I think you can have enough carbon.
Yeah, right. But I think we need to buy more. Like I don't have anything, so I will buy later.
I think it's way more enough. You just need to buy some snacks. I
Snacks,
think. Yeah. Maybe just
Or like
for
meatloaf. if
for
you want.
surviving.
For
It's
surviving. Yeah.
enough.
For
You
sure.
just buy some for fun.
Yeah, for extra,
Extra one.
else we
Let me
have?
see something else, and this is a pot, a little pot. You can, let me see it. You can just cook. Use this. With this.
Oh,
cook.
okay.
Yeah, it's a small.
So we have this is a stove.
What?
Stove like for cooking.
Yeah, for cooking.
Yeah, I think we have a mini stove, guys.
And I already have one. I don't know how to say it, like gas.
Oh,
Gas inside.
Okay. Oh, we have gas. Okay, so you just put it there.
What?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
gas. Oh, come on.
Ito na yung gas, guys. Ready talaga sila for this cycling.
And this is
The lighter.
yeah. It's small, right? I can show you how it work.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. It just like that.
Mhm.
You need to open it and connect
Put it
it. Oh, come on. And open it. You need to open it. See that?
Oh, it goes.
Yeah.
Okay, it works.
It's like that.
Alright. Cool.
And yeah, this is my final check. I need to check it's
Yeah,
work,
if it's
right?
working. Okay.
Yeah. Woo! And inside it, there's like sleeping bags. Maybe we
Yeah.
can show them.
We can show it tomorrow or
during the show.
when we do it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're ready for the hiking tomorrow. Are you
Hope
ready?
everything goes well.
Yeah, hopefully.
It's a
So guys,
sleep
Ari
bag.
has a sleep bag.
Keep you warm in outside, right? So you just sleep inside and zip.
Yeah.
You can cover your whole
So this is perfect for hiking during.
for hiking. Yeah.
winter?
And it's especially you can use it maybe up to the snow mountain.
Yeah, like
Yes.
negative degrees, right?
Yes. So good.
Yeah. It's actually my first time to see this kind of stuff.
You can see
But
the
you know,
temperature here.
Yeah. Mommy cool. Yeah, it can handle -14, -9, -2. Wow. So we're seeing a lot of new stuff here from the hikers. This is Pong's sleeping bag.
Yeah.
Very
And
comfortable
since
as
it's air
well.
pillow.
Oh, air pillow
air bed.
and air bed.
Yeah.
They're very prepared, and all of these stuff fit in their bag. Guys, it's
Hey
Arit's
guys,
birthday,
It's my birthday.
so let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish. Happy birthday, Aris! Officially our day 1 of hiking. So pupunta tayo sa starting point ng hike. Ang hirap pala maglakad with these huge bags, pero lumalaban. Ako ngayon pinakamaliit yung bag nila sobrang lalaki. Ang hirap mag-commute pero laban. Look at our struggle with the big bags. But it is what it is, and we're ready to hike. It's Ari's birthday. Happy birthday, Ari.
Thank you so much. See you guys. See you guys at the end of the trails.
Yeah, trail. Pong is over there. He's so tired already. Guys, sumakay lang kami ng bus.
So let's have some food.
Tapos may mga 7-Eleven naman dito. So bibili lang kami ng mga extra more food. Wala akong dalang pagkain, sila lang meron eh. So we need more food.
Some water, some
Water
food,
and some ropes.
and the
Because
food.
Aris mentioned that there are like pigs there that eat your food if you leave it on the floor. So we need to hang it.
Exactly.
Yun guys, before tayo mag-start mag-hike, mag-breakfast lang tayo kasi medyo malayo-layo itong pupuntahan natin. So yan, may mga local food dito. Tingnan natin kung mas mura dito. Is it expensive?
I see.
It's okay compared to the city, yeah. But
Let's see.
it's not cheap, pero compared to the city, mahal pa rin pala. Okay guys, we chose McDonald's because you can never go wrong with McDonald's. Ari still has an energy. Wala pa yung energy ko guys. Hinahanap ko pa yung energy ko kasi gutom na ako. Pero sige, McDonald's na lang kasi mas mura, mas marami. Swak kasi maglalakad tayo ng sobrang haba today. Guys, breakfast. Huh? What?
It's different.
Yeah, it's
We don't
different.
have it in our in
Yeah,
Finland.
us too. This is the trail that we are going to hike, Mackley Host Trail. This is the starting point,
This is the beginning.
the beginning.
Let's start.
Let's go.
Woo!
4-day hike.
You can see. You can give your fans to see the sign here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this is the beginning. We're here, and today we plan to go to this place.
This one.
Yeah, like the beach.
Yeah. And then the next day we'll be
The next
here
day
probably.
We'll be there.
Okay.
There, the Hian Tian. The third
The third
day
day will
maybe
be-
there, maybe there. It's okay.
Whatever. Okay.
Let's go.
Go, go, go.
So guys, this is a famous trail here in Hong Kong.
I think the most
The
famous
most
one.
famous one.
Absolutely.
So you can do like a 1-day hike, 2-day hike, but for us we're planning to do it 4 or 3 nights or 4 nights, depends. But let's go. It's actually Ari's birthday today.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Ari.
Happy birthday to me. Thank you guys.
So we will not be walking the whole day. We'll just walk for like a few hours and then stay in the
But
campsite.
we need
in
a
the
long
beach.
walk. We have a long.
But today we will walk maybe 4 to 5 hours.
Yeah. I think that after
You're ready?
Wow.
Ang lalaki nga ng bag nila eh. Let's go. The first part of the road may mga nagjo-jogging. Medyo pa-incline siya, no? Pataas ng slide. Pero yun, may mga taong nag-run sila dito. Wow. On the behind it,
Yeah. On the other side.
on the other side of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so after almost 1 hour of
No, no.
Not-
I think no hours.
40 minutes,
Half an hour.
half
40
an hour,
minutes,
yeah, 40 minutes of hiking. So we got a view, nice view here. Look, amazing. Wow, may mga dagat dito, the oceans. People are, grabe yung mga tao nagja-jogging sa ganito ka-init, no? So ang first stop down namin is doon sa likod nitong bundok na yan. So ang layo pa. So pupunta tayo doon. Ay, ito ba dito? Tapos gagawin tayo doon sa pinakalikod nun. For our first day, hala, mangingitim ako nito. For our first day, we need to hike 4 to 5 hours. And Ari, the birthday boy, is dancing. Wow, beautiful. Ish. Yeah, starting 2026 right. Actually December 30 pa lang. But fitness goals 2026. This is a good start.
Yeah, it's really good stuff. I like the wind here. It's cool,
Yeah,
not
it's
so
really
hot, not
nice.
so cold.
But not gonna lie, like the first few part, it was a little tiring because our body was still adjusting. But I think it gets better now that we have a good view.
But I think it's far better.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. So yeah, you will not be lost. Ang hirap mag-English. Okay. Oh, so we already reached 3 kilometers because every one is 500 meters.
One is 1 kilometer.
No, one is 500 meters.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. So 3 kilometers.
So this is
right?
3 kilometers, yeah. So hindi naman kayo maliligaw kasi may mga ganong signs every 500 meters. Wow. There's like a secret laboratory here.
Or like the nuclear.
Yeah, and they're gonna launch it into space. Something like that, no?
Or the alien leaf.
The aliens live here. Wow. Good view, wow. Guys, yung stage 1 ng trail, ayan na. Medyo maraming views dito kasi nasa may lake yata to. I'm sure kung dagat to. So this trail is, mag-English pa ba ako? This trail is parang divided into different stages. So for example, stage 1 and 2, day 1. Stage 3 and 4, day 2. Stage 4 and 5, whatever. Kasi this whole trail is 100 kilometers. So mostly ginagawa to ng mga tao like 4 days and 3 nights. But I'm not sure kung ilang days namin magagawa kasi we want to take it slow, to enjoy the beach, ganun. So hopefully we finish this strong. Parang I'm back to my 20-year-old self. Actually, noong mga 20s ako, ginagawa ko rin to sa Philippines. Is it a private one? May private na, yeah, the rich guys. The rich guys of Hong Kong.
Absolutely. Watch out the car.
Okay. Tapos guys, if you're hiking, ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yung hiking bag kasi may ganito siya. No, I was just telling them that you need a hiking bag like this.
When you reach that point, you can see that, right?
Ayan,
That mountain, and after.
this one. I'm just gonna show them. This is like the hiking bag. It helps because
Yeah.
it helps to carry more because it's very heavy, right?
What?
What were you saying? You were saying something?
We're saying something. I said we need to reach that place.
That one, right?
Yeah,
Behind
one.
that.
We need to climb back that mountain.
Okay.
And on the back of that mountain is the beach that we need to
Okay,
put the tent on.
let's go. Hey guys, 2 hours from the hike. So, iiwan muna namin yung mga gamit namin dito kasi pupunta kami dun sa taas. Actually, marami din naman nag-iiwan ng gamit. Parang, sorry.
Finally, part 1.
Part
we
one.
finished that.
Are we done? Almost,
The
almost.
part 1 is down like this.
It's almost here.
Yeah, I think over there's a part 2.
Okay, so where are we gonna sleep later? Like
Like
in
we need
the
to
beach?
climb up to
Oh,
the mountain, like the behind
this mountain?
There's a beach. Right
Okay,
here.
so we will sleep behind this
Yes.
mountain, but we will go to this
So, like,
area first.
we just finished the boring part.
Okay, the boring part.
Yeah.
Actually, for me, the first 3 kilometers, that was the hardest kasi yung katawan ko nag-adjust pa siya sa bigat ng bag. Plus the steep mountain. So, sabi ko parang hindi ko to kaya. Pero after 3 kilometers, tas yung magandang view, nag-a-adjust na yung katawan ko. Masakit pa rin, pero kaya na. Let's go. Iwan na nga yung bag namin dito. Marami naman nag-iiwan eh. mukha naman safe kasi puro naman mga hikers. You don't understand what I'm saying, but
I don't understand what you're
I
saying.
just said that we're gonna leave it. It's safe because there's
Yeah.
a lot of people also left. This is Pong. Marami nga nag-iiwan ng bag nila dito.
I don't know how to say it. Like Paul. Well, what is this?
Po
What is it
Pin
called?
Chow.
Paul Pin Chow.
Yeah, let's go.
Like, someone says like the place are like worse to go, but you need to go back. So
Okay. It feels good to have no bag.
yeah. Just, I almost can't fly. Already.
Yeah.
So, like,
Sige, packet tayo. Ay, ang sarap na walang bag. Yung bag ko para mga 15 to 20 kilograms yata. Kasi may mga tubig kami. 3 litro na tubig. Kung ano-ano pa. Let's go. Wow, nice view.
yeah, just can't wait to see the.
Yeah, they're so fast. I can't keep up. Whew. Let's go. It's so beautiful here. Oh, beach.
Here we are, the Queen Chu One
Viewing point. Wow, it's so hot.
Yeah, but the most popular one
Is there?
upstairs.
Okay, we reached the summit of day 1. Day 1 pa lang to. Sabi, hindi pang trentahin. Ganitong klaseng hiking. Parang 3 hours na yata kami nag-hike. Mas nahihirapan talaga ako sa pataas. Sanay ako sa lakad. Like yung pa ako, okay sa lakad. Yung pataas talaga. Hiking, hindi ako sanay. Pero nakatulong yung 20k steps ko everyday sa travel, no. Hindi ako napapagod sa flat surface. Pero yung ganito, yung hike kasi kami mga bundok-bundok na yan, ganyan-ganyan. Para makapunta dito sa summit. Doon ako na-test. Buti nga walang bag. Yung pa-incline plus the bag, yun talaga yung pahirap. But I wanna challenge myself. Like 2026, sabi ko, I want to be more healthy. So, papanindigan natin. Sana, 2 more healthy choices in 2026. Ganda ng view natin, no? Wow. Oh, may mga rock formations dito. Wow, ang ganda. Sila Ario. Hi.
Yo, so like this is our final viewpoint,
For
the
day 1.
Po Ping Chow viewpoint.
Oh, guys. Wow.
It's
In-
really famous in the social media in mainland.
This one?
Yeah.
In mainland, okay. There's a lot of people hiking here. I already mentioned that this is famous in mainland China.
Yep.
So there's a lot of people from mainland China here as well. Hey guys, on our way back. Ito yung nagpapahirap sa akin. Yung paakyat. Tapos, bababa doon. Let's go. This is the hardest thing I did in 2025. Day 1 pa lang. 3 more days to go. Ang narealize ko dito, sobrang kailangan ko talaga ng physical activities, no? I thought yung walking enough na siya, 20k steps walking. Pero iba pala yung pataas, no? Kulang yung endurance ko pataas, no? Yung flat, kahit buong araw tayo maglakad, okay ako. Pero yung pataas, iba talaga. Tapos yung bag pa. Yung bag na mga, siguro mga 12, 15 kilos. I'm not sure kung 20 kilos nga kasi super bigat talaga ng bag ko, guys. But, again, healthier 2026. Let's go. Our first snack, guys. After that very hard climb. Dami din mga nag-hiking dito, tapos inaano din nila yung mga ano dito, nagpapahinga din sila. Bago din sila. May mga taxi dito, kung tamad kayo mag-hiking, taxi kayo tapos mag-camping lang kayo dito. Pero kami nag-hike talaga. Naiiyak ako. Malapit na kami. Malapit na rin ako mag-give up. Ayun na yata yung beach, guys. May nakikita na akong beach doon. So dyan yata kayo magka-camp for the night. But look at the view. Ngayon ko lang na-realize ang bigat pala ng mga nagbo-backpacker na ganito. Paano nyo nakakaya? But we're almost there. Never give up. That's our motto. Never give up. Pwede mag-pause. Sabi ko sa kanila, una muna kayo. I need to pause. Tapos pag nakaka-pause ako, na-recharge yung energy ko, bumabalik ulit. So, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's finish this strong. Okay guys, so we just finished setting up our tent. This is our tent for the night. Dito kami ni Ari, dito si Pong. Kasi for one person lang yung kay Pong. So this is our tent.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to our mini tent. It's actually nice.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
fits 2 person here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay guys, for day 1, finally,
Finally.
we can rest.
Hey guys.
This is our tent, look.
Ah.
And then tomorrow when we wake up,
Yeah.
wow, we'll have
Oh my god.
an amazing view of the beach. Tara, ayan o. Beach yung kaharap namin guys. So this is our setup for today. And I just want to sleep and rest. Tiring day. But worth it. Satisfying after the hiking, makapagpahinga ka. Guys, we're setting up our cooking equipment. I don't know how do you call that, stove maybe.
Yeah, maybe stove.
Yeah, because
Gas
we're gonna
stove?
gas stove. Yeah, we're gonna boil some water so we can drink some coffee or tea. Dinner time.
配太多了。对，有什么都有，真的什么都有。哎，盖子。
This is our dinner for tonight. Rice
We
with
got rice
sausage.
and sausages.
And then we met a new friend here. Hello. And then he gave us some of his food to us.
他是，哎呀，这话说出来，
He gave us like sausage noodles. This one.
菲律宾的小水手。他是菲律宾。
Guys, day 1 is done. We're gonna sleep now. Happy birthday again, Ari. Thank you for inviting me here. We had so much fun today, guys. Thank you so much. So I'll see you again in the next one, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye. See you.